I look good with these shades on. This wig look good. When I ask for a closure, this is what I want. Look at this. Bomb wig. Let's see. Glueless. What? Now little mini flat irons. Okay. Luvme. Baby, they was not playing. The branding is eating. But let's get into this wig that is clearly hot and ready to go. Look at that part. Okay guys, so really quick, I'm going to show you this video in reverse the way that I filmed it. First, you're going to see how it looks as a glueless method. So that's why you're going to see me showing you how the hair looks after I have washed it. And I'm going to show you how I prep my hair for that method. And then the second method is to show you how I use adhesive to glue it down for that melt. Comb this into place and I'm going to go ahead and let it air dry. You see I kept my part in it, so when I go to reinstall it, boom, it's already ready to go. And I'll be back to show you how it looks after it's all dry. So I'm back at it, and this is how my wig looked 2 days later. It's completely dry. All I did was lay this bad boy on the floor. So soft. Look at the waves. Started off with curls, now we got waves, baby. And today I'm going to be wearing it as a glueless unit, and that's why I like to swoop it to the side and have it exactly how I want to wear it, because that's exactly how it dries, just like that. Take a little bio silk. So yes, this is cool, but it's really not. So I'm going to use my hot comb and just flatten this top a bit. So this is how the hair is on like the original picture. That's why they had it come with the bangs like this. So if you want to be real subtle, you can have a little swoop in your face like this. Or, so I like to pull this part back a little bit. Yeah, and so I like to wear mine like this with this part kind of up like that. Okay, 2:44, and that was 5 minutes. Let's see. Glueless. Okay, here's the finished look. And I love this hair. It's so soft. It's really thick. I love the little pops of color. Still got some curls popping through. Can't beat it. Can't beat this wig. Okay. It's giving face. I went ahead, put some makeup on the hairline. Let me slide it in. Okay, so again, this wig is straight out of the bag. So instead of a side part, I got like a swaddle. However, I like to go for like a deep side part. Maybe I should just do it this side. And I like to use my wax stick when I'm switching over my part. Alright, y'all, I had to take my wig off and put it on my knee, honey. I was trying to get that part real nice and clean, but I had to show y'all. So you see here's my new side part. Let's try this again now that I switched my part over. Now that everything is hot combed back, when I ask for a closure, this is what I want. I'm gonna cut these sides up just a little, just to make it easier when I glue it down. Look at this. Okay, now I will go out with my holding spray and just tap the edges. For one, we're trying to get that melt. And for two, for any other sections where the lace is still lifting a little bit. Let's add a little makeup really quick. Okay, let's see where the bang area stops. So I'm gonna just cut it even with the rest of it. Yeah, it's time for me to go to sleep. It gotta be like 2 o'clock in the morning. This hair is bomb. Maybe a little something right here. I needed to frame my face. Go to sleep. Okay. Yeah. And then that's what I'm talking about. Makeup done. Take my vest off right quick because you a little busy. Oh, that's so cute. I got it from Goodwill. These curls are in here to stay. Or all pushed back. Or both sides up. I feel bonita. It's crazy because I'm getting so good at doing my makeup. Like watching other people's lives while they do their makeup, best thing ever. Gorgeous. Can you see that? None to it. I didn't bleach my knots. I didn't pluck my hairline because it wasn't needed. Bonita. Alright, so that's all for this look. Definitely leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video, and I'll see you guys next time.